Hi everyone, this is your Arshad Pasha. So today we will learn the DFS. DFS means depth first search. Depth first search means we go for the deep of a node. Okay, I will explain in a visual way and in a graphical way, then you will understand. And before we start, one beautiful example, you will really understand the DFS. Okay, before we start, I will tell if the DFS was not there, there will be a no game like chess will be there, but in a technological way. In mobile phone, there will be no chess game. There will be not able to create Sudoku. There will be not possible to create Google Maps, and it is not even also not possible to create the file manager by using by these are the thing by using the DFS we can create. So let me explain. Okay, let us go for the next screen. Okay. Yes. So I hope now you can see my screen, right? So see, I've created a beautiful node. Okay, nodes A, B. In the A we have B, B we have D and F, and A have C and G, F, F. So let me traverse this by using the DFS method. You just understand, just be full concentrate this. Okay, the traversal will come and visit the A, right? It visit the A and output will be coming A. Good, right? And it will go for the A and B. First, it will go for the B and visit the B, and it will write B. B is visited, and in that inside the B, it go again. It doesn't go for the C. It go for the D. It is going depth first search. It go first deep first, then other. Got it? So after it go for the D. So D will be visited and print as D. So D also visit for the depth. It go for very depth again, and F will be visited and F will be printed. So F does not have anything. It will go for it go back to the stack. I mean, it go back in the D. D does not have anything. Go back for the B. B does not have anything to visit, and B will go for the back towards A, and A will become towards C, and C will be as noted as C. Sorry, means it is visited. C will go for the G. G does not have any nodes, so it is visited. So it go for the C. C is already visited. So if C go for the H, and H will be now visited. So this is our output. How A, B, D, F, C, G, H. So let me explain a way of an beautiful real example by using file manager. Okay. Yeah, you can see this file. I think it is a node. Okay, this cursor is our traversal. I will go for the A. Okay, first. Okay, I will go for the A. Remember, see in the right side as well. I go for the A. I visited. Wonderful. I gone correct, right? Yes, I gone correct. I gone for the A, and then I will go for the B. I go for B. Right? This actually the real example I'm showing, guys. Please concentrate. I will really explain again. Come, okay, I will explain again. This is our node called as A. Cursor, this cursor, what you can see, this is our traversal person or something. Okay, I will just first traversal A. So traversal A, I traversal A means A has visited. Okay, think it is A have visited. I go for the another node called as B. I visited B, so I will tick mark as B. I visited B. I go for the D. I tick mark as I have visited D. I go for the F. I tick mark as F. F has visited. I go back. See, I am using the arrow mark. I go back. So F has visited, done. D has visited, done. I go for back. B has visited, done. Now, it will go for the C. Right? Understanding? It will go for the C. So when C is visited, C is be visited. Tick mark. And in C we have two, G and H. So it will go for the first G. For first G, it will go for G. The G is empty. G is actually first G is visited, and when we see the inside, we does not have any other nodes. We go back towards means the stack will be pop. Okay, I will explain that pop afterwards. G means G has already visited. The H has not visited. Remember, H has not visited. So we go again there, and we will traverse at H visited. We go back again. H has visited. G has visited. Done. C also has visited. B also visited. Done. And A is already visited. So how this work means same as this DFS work. So I was telling about something like stack, right? Stack will be same thing like you will go for the A, B, D, F. See, if you want to explain a examination, you can write like this. It will be pop, visited, F, pop, D visited, something like that. Okay, you should analyze. Okay, you should understand. You can just write this graphical representation and you can write the answer. I hope you understand the DFS. Now let's improve. Means let do in a programming way. Let me close this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let us write the proof. So write a program to implement a DFS algorithm for a graph. Okay. Let's start a let's write in a Python programming language with a DFS. So for this, we need a graph. First, we need a graph, and we need the stat value, and we need a visited. So whenever the visited is not assign any value, then it will be as called as none. Okay. So if the v is none, okay, when v is none, we will tell as v should be become set. Set means we cannot repeat any values. One will be one. We cannot repeat. We cannot duplicate the things. So we'll use the set. We'll use the print, and I will just print out the start value means which the value is starting. Okay, and I will just write and yeah, and this and will what will do means we will print in a single line. Everything will be printed in a single line. So write just print when the loop is becoming again, what happened? It come from next. But through writing the end, it doesn't go for the next value. Okay, like print ln. The print this normal print work as in print ln. But if you write the end with double quotes, it acts as a print, not print ln. Okay, I'm talking about this which we have a right print ln in this C++, right? Yeah, C++. No, Java. Yeah, I was talking about Java. So in V, I will add the particular visited value called as S. Okay, you will remember, you can understand in a next way. So we have a neighbor. Neighbor means A has B and C nodes, right? So for I in range, we'll write the formula, right? Like the same, but we'll write the graph here. The start value, the graph will be visited as same the graph starts, right? I will write a condition here. If n is not if n is not in the visited means visited, then what do you go for the DFS again, and I need this n as in a start value, no, and g first pass the g, and I need a start value as yeah, n, and v will be solid. Yeah, so everything is done. Now we just want to create a graph. Okay. So according to programming, we will create the graph. Okay. So we was having A, inside A we was having B, and we was having a C, right? We was having a C, yeah. Oh, yeah, comma. Then in the B, in the B, what we was having? We was having yeah, let me check it out. I did it right. Means oh yeah, it's okay. We'll write a new example. It's okay. Actually, what was in the B? I was put at A, B, C. I think D. Yes, D. I put it D. Okay. Inside the D, I have put it something like F. Yeah, I remember now. Inside the D, I have put it the F, right? Yeah. Inside the D, I have put it the F. Yeah, yes. And then in B has completed. We go for C. In C, we was having H and G, right? Yes, H and G. H, no, no, first G, then H, means then, right? Uh, H. Now we want to just unvisit this A, B. Oh, yeah, okay, just A, B, C, D. E is not there, it's okay. G, 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 we want to make a G as empty, empty one. Yeah, then also we want to make an first, let's make the G. You can write the notes anywhere, right? Okay, but the means you know what the thing the program will understand it. Okay, yeah. So I have written the all the notes exactly. The A, B, C. B has some value, D and having, and F having empty. Right? We have everything. Let us run this. Okay, we have error. Wonderful. Without error, there is no program such as. So what we did mistake? We doesn't write the comma. It's okay. Let's write a comma, comma, and comma. Yes, sure. Okay, let output is empty. Why? Let us check it out. So we have written print as start value, and I think it is not started yet. So it is not giving the output, right? Yeah, let's check out what is the problem. Problem, what is the problem? What is the solution? Okay, just a minute. We have for in in range, okay, DFS and value in name. Okay, there's something in trouble. And let me do one thing. Yeah, no, everything is correct. Read or add, okay. Mm, okay, DFS, graph, start value. Yeah, sorry. I doesn't even started the program itself. So to start the program, we want to pass something, right? Towards the program, right? So, as an graph, you are passing the G, and for the start value, I am passing A. Right? This is the important, right? Without writing the functions parameter, how does it work, right? Sometimes happen, don't worry. So boom, we got the output. So I told A, B, D, F, G, C, G, H. Yeah, I hope you really understand. You just practice towards yourself. Uh, I can see this program again and again. You will understand when you try to understand yourself. Okay. I'm just openly. It doesn't even write anywhere here. I'm just directly implementing this without seeing any book now. In my table, it does not have any book. Nothing. I have two screens. Maybe I have two screens. In the two screens, it does not open anything. You can see here in the below itself have like this video or this one download section, this one and this one. Only two things. It doesn't open anything. See means when you understand the program, you can really write the program within a few minutes by using the logic, by using the mind. I hope when I was writing this, many people will become confused because everybody not understand how does it be required. How you write, we can write randomly, but no. If I not write this F, think I not written in this F, see we'll get the error. Okay, I will show you. See, we'll get the error. Why? Because F should be having something node. That node should be ending in that showed in the node that particular node it does not should be there anything. Okay, that is the thing. Yeah. So now see the output is that. Yeah, output is here. So like that. Okay. I hope you really understand. I think the video is little bit lengthy, but I can assure you if you have seen till here, if you practice again and again, 2 or 3 times, really to understand this program, I took around 2 days. But when I explain this, I think you require only 1 hour. I have really put all the full knowledge for this video where you can understand within 1 hour. That's all. Within 15 minutes, you will understand. You will practice 15 minutes more, and 15 minutes more, you will write down, and 15 minutes, you will execute. and explore. Within 1 hour, you will really understand this program like drinking like a water. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.